Hello everyone. Welcome to Exercise Channel. Today, we're going to talk about creating your own personalized workout plan. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, having a customized plan is crucial for reaching your fitness goals. Step 1. Determine your goals. The first step in creating your workout plan is to determine what you want to achieve. Are you looking to build muscle, lose weight, or improve your overall fitness level? Having a clear goal in mind will help you to create a plan that's tailored to your needs. Step 2. Assess your current fitness level. It's important to know where you stand before you start creating your workout plan. This will help you determine the type and intensity of exercises that are appropriate for you. Take some time to assess your current fitness level by performing a basic workout, such as a short run or a set of push-ups. Step 3. Choose your workout routine. Once you have assessed your fitness level, it's time to choose the types of exercises you want to include in your workout plan. Consider your goals, fitness level, and any limitations or restrictions you may have when choosing your exercises. Step 4. Schedule your workouts. Now that you have chosen your exercises, it's time to schedule your workouts. Decide on a consistent workout schedule that works for you and make sure to stick to it. You can plan to work out 3 to 5 times a week, or even every day if you feel up to it. Step 5. Track your progress. It's important to track your progress to see how far you've come and determine what you need to do to reach your goals. You can keep track of your progress by writing down the number of reps, sets, or weight you use for each exercise. Conclusion. Creating your own personalized workout plan is a great way to reach your fitness goals. Remember to start with a clear goal, assess your fitness level, choose your exercises, schedule your workouts, and track your progress. With a little bit of effort and dedication, you can achieve the results you're looking for. So, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more fitness tips and tricks.